Cressida was purchased from Sydney a few years ago. We actually purchased it for parts to fix another one of the cars that we owned at the time. And then it was just pushed down the back where it sat for the last couple of years until we decided in June to bring it back up to the front and bring it back from its grave, so to speak. Okay, so we started off by stripping the interior first. So all seats and door trims off, or carpet out. These seats are just sitting in there for now until my other seats arrive, which is a bit exciting. I did keep the hood lining in for now. Parcel shelf, dash and everything is also all out. All sound deadening has been removed. So I didn't use dry ice or anything like that. I actually used a good old-fashioned hammer and flathead screwdriver to get all that out. Wasn't too bad. They even had it up in the parcel shelf, a bit of sound deadener there. So I've kept the power windows. Alright, and all the sound deadener went up over the tunnel, down into there. So here is everything that actually came out of the vehicle. You can see there's a hell of a lot of wiring there. All the aircon stuff, vents and interior seats, plastic paneling that ran over the wire, the speakers. It's a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. A lot of weight reduction. So one good thing about pulling apart the Cressida is you can see how well Toyota actually built these cars. So in the late 80s and early 90s in Australia, these were what replaced the Crown. So, you know, they were like your top of the range luxury sedan or saloon that you could get here in Australia, and they only came with a 7M GE here. Over in Japan, they share the same chassis as an X81, which means that they came with a diesel option, which was similar to the Hilux. And then they also offered the 7M GE option, which was the 3-litre double overhead cam straight 6. You then move on to the 1JZ GTE, so a 2.5 litre straight 6, twin turbo. They came with a CT12A, so 2 of these ones, non-VVTi. Then we move on to the 1G GE, so naturally aspirated 2-litre straight 6 double overhead cam. And lastly, they had the 2-litre 1G GTE, so the twin-turboed 1G, double overhead cam, 2-litre straight 6. And they came with 2 little cuties, CT12s. That's the size of my thumb next to it. Nice little and cute.
The Cressida Grande. Leather seats with 5-way electronic adjustment for the driver. Automatic climate control. A 6-speaker music system, including CD. And computer-controlled anti-skid brakes. All for a surprising $43,834, leaving you something to spend on other luxuries.
Chump, James.
Oh, what a feeling, Cressida.
Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.